Hey guys, the 400 that I got for free is stuck, and so we're gonna go ahead and pull it apart and see what we're looking at. So hopefully it's nothing too big, and it's just a matter of getting the pistons freed up in the cylinders, and then I can put it back together and put it in the 72 Charger. So let's see how it goes. Derek's got all these. Hopefully this pops off. And come on, head gasket. I don't care. I'm not reusing them head gaskets. All right, took the heads off the 400. This side doesn't look too bad. And then there's this. All right, that's what we're dealing with. That's not a good sign. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, so you can see we got the pistons out. This is the cylinder that was really bad. I don't know what to do with this block. I might just run a cylinder hone in there and see if it breaks off that corrosion. But I think it's gonna need to be bored out personally. This is the other side, looks pretty good. You saw probably in the time lapse that I was rather violent in the way that I was taking these pistons out. Didn't anticipate using them again. In fact, we do a car show every year, and we make trophies out of pistons. And there are the bits and pieces. Yeah, when I started taking it apart, I just didn't anticipate using this block. I'll find something else. So that's what we discovered in the dismantling of the Chrysler 400. Scary. All right, so just looking at that doesn't look good at all. I didn't expect it to. All right, so tear down. We discovered that it was tied up for a reason. You saw the cylinder was just full of crap. We went ahead and run the hone down the cylinders. Nothing really exciting. I'm gonna guess that a person could take this to a machine shop, punch it 30 over, and it would probably be fine. Not interesting to me, not something that I really want to get into and spend the money on. But as far as just taking one bite at a time on projects, this really took us about half hour, 45 minutes to break it all down, see what we were dealing with, so that I can move on with trying to source another engine or actually use the one that's sitting here in front of me. I'm not interested in using this one. They'll probably just go down the road. I don't know if there's any interest in these. I'm not a Mopar guy. I'm not an engine builder. So at this point, I think I'm done with this. I'm done with the 440, and I'm just gonna try and source another engine. And at that point, that's all I did today. It took about a half hour, an hour, and I'm done for the day, and I'm gonna go do other things. So peace out.